Welcome to JH. Today, we're fixing the problem where Steam won't let you buy games. This is a frequent issue for many players, and resolving it quickly gets you back to your library without the headache. Let's get started with the solution. First, open your computer's task manager. This tool manages active processes and can stop background apps that might be causing glitches. You can launch it instantly by hitting Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard simultaneously. Once the window appears, locate Steam in the list. Right-click the entry to open the context menu and choose End Task. This ensures any stuck processes are completely terminated, even if the app seemed closed. After that, make sure Steam is fully shut down. Check your system tray in the bottom corner. Right-click the Steam icon if it's still there and select Exit. This step guarantees a clean slate before restarting. Now, launch Steam again and sign in with your account details. Often, a fresh login session refreshes your connection to the servers and clears minor bugs. Once you're logged in, click your username at the top right of the screen. From the menu, select Account Details. Look for the link to Add a Payment Method to this account. It is vital to confirm your billing info is accurate and current. Update any expired cards, as old data often blocks transactions. Next, verify your internet stability. A solid connection prevents errors during checkout. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it, as these can sometimes interfere with payment processing. If you're still having trouble, reach out to Steam support for personalized help. They can investigate specific account restrictions. That covers it. Following these steps should fix most purchase errors. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more guides.